Alright, so if you're trying to cancel your subscription on Scribd, yeah, it can feel a bit confusing at first, especially if you signed up quickly. But don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you don't miss anything. First, open Scribd on your phone or browser and log into the account that has the subscription. Now go to your profile icon and click on Account Settings or Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Subscription or Membership section. Now click on Manage Subscription to open your billing details. You will see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on it to start the cancellation process. Scribd may ask you to confirm or give a reason. Just follow the steps and confirm your cancellation. After canceling, check your email for a confirmation message to make sure it's done. Even after canceling, you can still use Scribd until your current billing period ends. Go back to settings anytime to confirm your subscription is no longer active. And yeah, that's how you cancel your Scribd subscription step by step. Just make sure you do it from the correct account so everything goes smoothly.